Hello, my name is Faizal Garasia, a mortgage expert from Dominion Lending Center Mortgage House, based in Toronto, Canada. Welcome to my YouTube channel. For our episode today, we're going to talk about things that one should consider before buying a home. Before we discuss that, let me just ask you to hit like and subscribe to these videos and stay tuned to get more important information about good financial housekeeping. Dreaming of a new home is easy, but applying for a mortgage and having that application approved are different things. In short, the pre-application phase is tedious. To get a home loan, you better be prepared financially, emotionally, and mentally. And your supporting documents must be practically complete. Here are some helpful tips to consider before you buy a home to ensure that in the end, the property will be truly yours to keep. And more importantly, to make sure that your home loan application will get approved. The first thing to do is to fix your credit. Credit inquiries are inevitable parts of an application. The better your score is, the higher the chances of you getting approval. There are even those who get the best deals on interest rate because of their excellent credit standing. But of course, not everyone is lucky. Some undergo challenging phases in their lives that harm their credit performance. Therefore, these are the ones that tend to go for bad credit mortgages. Now, with bad credit mortgages, the requirements are more strict. The interest rates are usually higher. Do they get approved? Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Are the terms similar to those who have good scores? Absolutely not. Therefore, one must really take good care of his or her credit score. Next thing to do is to line up your down payment. This means that you should have enough money for a mortgage down payment. Lining up your down payment also implies learning how to schedule your possible mortgage amortization while ensuring that your funds will be ready every time it is needed. This also entails personal assessment to see if getting a home loan is something that you can really afford or not. Then, you have to get your finances in line. You need to realize that getting a mortgage would greatly impact the spending habits of a household. Consider testing the waters first to see if you can really sustain your payment for the property. You can do this by setting aside a big chunk of your paycheck for a period of 6 months. The amount you should consider must be equal to your current rent minus the mortgage payment. Doing this for a 6 month period. If everything is smooth, it means that you may go ahead and apply for a home loan. But if at any point within 6 months trial period, you find it challenging to pay the bills, that would mean that you're not ready yet. It is important to note that another advantage of forced savings for 6 months is the availability of backup funds for your intended mortgage. Lastly, get a pre-approval. This is easier said than done. A home loan pre-approval means document compliance to the requirement of a mortgage lender. You would be asked for the proof of your income, assets, your credit report, and any other information that is pertinent to your mortgage application. You need to have all these ready to go so that you may turn in your application to a desired lender. Once again, before we end, the 4 things that you must consider for a home loan are: get your credit in line, line up your down payment, putting together your finances, and last but not least, getting a pre-approval. Also, if you have already decided to get a loan, but you don't have the time to figure out procedures, don't worry. Leave your questions in the comment so we can answer them accordingly. So thank you so much for tuning in today, and expect more helpful videos from us here. Don't forget to like, subscribe our channel, and see you next time.